Hello, friend. So you've decided to open up the Bible. That's a beautiful, courageous step. But maybe you're holding it in your hands right now and it just feels heavy. It's a library of 66 ancient books, and that one question can feel paralyzing. Where in the world do you start? The most logical answer seems to be page 1, right? Genesis. And it begins with this incredible, sweeping story of creation. But pretty soon you can find yourself wading through intricate laws and long genealogies that can make a new reader feel lost and honestly a bit discouraged. So may I offer a gentle suggestion? Instead of starting with the beginning of the world, let's start with the center of the entire story, Jesus. I invite you to turn to the New Testament and find the Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, or John. Pick just one of them. The Gospel of John is a wonderful place to land. This is where you get to meet the person the whole Bible is about. You get to walk alongside him, hear his own words, and begin to understand his heart for you and for the world. As a companion on this journey, you could also open the book of Psalms. Think of it less like a story and more like a prayer journal that captures the full range of human emotion, a place to find comfort, express joy, and find words when you have none. Please, hear this with grace. Starting small and staying consistent will build a foundation that lasts. 10 minutes a day is a powerful start. And truly, there is no wrong place to begin when your goal is simply to connect with God. The journey of understanding Scripture is not a test you have to pass. When you begin with Jesus, the rest of the story starts to make sense around him. It's a relationship that grows over time, not all at once. So take a deep breath, open to a gospel, and just begin.